In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to join friends on Among Us. Playing with friends can make the game even more fun and exciting. To get started, open up the Among Us game on your device and tap Play. Then tap Online. What you want to do next is tap Create Game. Then tweak these options to your liking and tap Confirm. Once you are in a game, you'll see a code at the bottom center of the screen. Click on the code to copy it to your clipboard. Once you've copied the code, share the code with your friends through text or chat. Then your friends need to come to this exact page and tap Enter Code. And then tap here and enter that code. Tap Done. Tap on the little arrow button and your friends will be able to play with you together in the same game. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.